Welcome to the effortlessly cool town of Guerneville, nestled in the heart of the Russian River. And right here at 14212 Woodland Drive, the vibe is about slowing down, breathing deep, and soaking in some serious R&R. We're perched up on what the locals call Flamingo Hill, just minutes from the action, but with the kind of peace that makes you never want to leave. Hungry? Main Street's just down the road, packed with killer spots to sip, eat, and hang out. Now be honest, are you already picturing yourself here? Yeah, I thought so. I'm Noel Flores with Continuum Real Estate, and I look forward to showing you this place in person.